Yo, good morning, beautiful people. Happy Thursday, CPI day, day 4 now on these new Tradeify accounts. We've taken 11K in payouts this week. Let's have another good day. Keep the momentum rolling. See if we can get a 4th payout today. Terrible timing on my ad there. Let's see what we can do, though. Come on. Good morning, work. Bright and early, sir, like always. Happy to have you in here, King. Hope the charts are treating you good. CPI day. Pobby! Good morning, King. All right. Let's get focused here. Max payout again for you, brother. I see it again. Back to back to back, brother. Let's fucking go work. Let's make it happen. There she is, Queen. Good morning. Happy birthday again. Get our seat serious here. We're all focused. Oh, CPI day. The opportunities. Bottom of CPI Canada down to 108. We're up to the 300s right now. Kind of want to find some shorts. I passed my 25K account on Apex on CPI. Yeah, you did, you dirty little dog. Let's go. Let's go, Poppy. Overshot by 5,000. Let's go, kid. Happy to have you back. Man's is full port in CPI, getting what he needs done. That's all we got to do. Morning, King. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, sir. Hope you're feeling great, doing well. Morning, guys and gals. First time in here, hoping to catch some good trades. Let's go, Lion. Welcome in, King. Happy to the family. Means a lot that you're here. Thanks for stopping in. Mad Max, good morning, King. Welcome in. Guys, market opens in 2 minutes. CPI day. Lots of opportunity. Let's get serious, get focused, and find the opportunities. So much chances to get some monies today. I really want to kind of target bottom of the CPI, I think. Now, do we do it immediately? I don't know. Let's just kind of see how market opens here. But if we get a nice, like, rejection candle into the zone, I will be taking a short around, like, here at the 262s. Turning trade mode on. It's officially 9:29. Trade mode is on, family. We only need $1,000 max payout today. Maybe we could do it again. We've done it twice this week. Good morning, Coop. Welcome in. Happy to have you, sir. Happy Thursday. Let's see what we can do here, family. Lots of opportunity. It is CPI day. Morning and good luck to all. Safe trading. I love it, Diego. Good energy, King. Good luck to you too, sir. Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Let's see what we can do. What type of trouble we can find here in the NASDAQ. From CPI bottom, we're already up about 200 points. Kind of sitting near the top over here. If you look at the hourly chart, I mean, we're respecting a trend line fairly clean. Pretty clean respect here. Could break through. Also on the hourly, we have some prices around here that we could reject and stay under. So I like shorts in around here if we can find a rejection early. Otherwise, longs may be showing their strength. There's the rejection candle. I'm in. I'm shorting this, family. Might be wrong. Might be early. I'm in an early short here. I like the rejection of that initial candle, but now we're finding some buyers. Didn't expect that. We're only going to take like a few hundred on this. Oh. Gonna give us ourselves 50 points on this. Risk 1,000. Buyers are showing themselves, though.
Order filled.
Now I feel like a goofy. I forgot we only have a $1,000 drawdown, guys. Holy shit, do I feel like an idiot right now. God, I forgot we only had a 1K drawdown. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm so not used to that still. Mother. I was just going to give ourselves 1,000 and then try to make it back if we rejected this part. No. Yo, King, welcome in, Mo. King, no, that was awful. You never trade open. It's okay. Oh, my God. I forgot we only had 1,000 we could be risking. Otherwise, I would have early stopped it. I just fucking, now I feel like an idiot. Down moving. NST, welcome in. King, I haven't seen your name before. Welcome in, chatter. All good, Ty. I appreciate it, work. It is all right. It's not the end of the world, but fucking hell, I'm Man, I had a lot of expectations today. Just to make an idiot decision like that. Why do I forget? We only have $1,000 drawdown on these new accounts, family. Oh, shit. All right, well. I'm going to go buy some new accounts. And I've been wanting to do it, so I'm just going to go ahead and get some new ones as well. We're allowed to have more than... actually, I guess I didn't know that. Maybe we can't. If I bought other accounts, would I be able to trade them, or am I stuck because I only have these 5? Oh, I'm so disappointed in myself right now, family. Why did I forget about our drawdown limit? Dave, what happened? I just got in fairly early. Just gonna give ourselves a little bit of room, and then we had a big candle just to explode to our daily loss of 1,000. I forgot we could only risk 1,000. I was gonna give it 1,000 and then see what we could do. See, look, we'd still be kind of sitting here with... I just forgot about the daily loss limit. That's not my favorite rule. Brush it off for sure, Pat. Not the end of the world, guys. It really isn't. This is trading. But, man, lots of opportunity today, so I still want to take some advantage of it. Just fucking, I hate that I forgot about the daily. Not daily payout, but still good. You can only have 5 funded, though. Okay, so I could try to pass 5 more. Lucid Flex 50k's. No daily payout, but still good. Lucid Flex 50s. Yeah, the Lucid Flexes are crazy good accounts right now. They might have blown if it didn't stop you there. Now, I mean, we had another 1,050 points from there. We'd be like right about where we wanted to be right now. Fuck. I just forgot about that fucking limit. That's just my fault. Look, I would have held on to this, no doubt about it. And we'd be waiting for this thing to try to break that down for us. But that's painful. That is actually so painful. Just forgot. My mistake there, family. Straight up. You can only have 5 funded, though. They might have been blown if you didn't stop there. Damn it. It was just an eager trade. I was just excited. I wanted to find the rejection. I think we're going all the way back down to the 100s here. Oh, my God. My mistake. Should have remembered. Yeah, you can only risk $1,000 bucks. That would have been a lot more chill. Whatever. All right, well, we got to get some new accounts then, family, because I still want to try to trade this. Probably won't be Tradeify's. I mean, obviously, we're locked in there. Fuck, I'm so upset with myself. Yo, there's already 30 incredible people watching, family. Welcome. And if you haven't yet, show some love. Hit the like button. Thank you for stopping in and sharing your morning. It is CPI day. The markets are going to be moving pretty strong. I already took the daily loss on these like an idiot because I forgot you're only allowed 1,000 with these new Tradeify accounts. I like shorts here a lot. That's why I got in early. Forgot about our fucking $1,000 and it had to go through. Where'd we go to? 14. So, God, that is so painful. We're right back to my entry price. I'd be waiting. Oh, this is gonna rip through here. Man, I feel like an idiot. Oh, no. What a goofy McGoof this morning, guys. I like shorts here a lot, though. Noah does, too. I think we might see the weekly lows today. I like that. Shorts from the 305. Good luck, Queen. Great entry. Really great entry. It's where I should have been. Fantastic trade, Danny. That's a little birthday treat for you. Now down. Damn, now it's playing out. Yeah. It just had to go for me there, Max. My fault. I got in early, and I was just... Oh, I forgot about our daily loss limit. And, of course, it had to rip up 60 points just to fly out of there. But now we're playing through. Oh, yeah. This thing is going to start selling, I think. Obviously, you don't know anything, but this is where I was looking for. This is why I got into my shorts. Danny, good trade. Make sure you have your break-evens on. I think we could at least come down to see these 200s. And from there, I'd be expecting the hundreds. Feel like the biggest goofy ever right now. Oh, shit. Oh, today was going to be such a good day. I'd be really looking for shorts in around the 60s. Let me get in.
Order rejected.
No, let me get in. I'd be filled on my 60 short right now. I like this previous high. Fuck. All right, I'm going to go buy some new accounts, guys. 1 second. Appreciate y'all being patient. Were those eval or funded? These are my Tradeify accounts. So now the balance is back to 51,000. So we lost the daily loss limit. We took a payout yesterday. for 11K this week after profit split. Well, it was a little bit less than 11K. It was like 10.5. After profit split, we made like 10 or 9.3. So you can't complain. We've had a good week, and now we just gotta. Man, I was really expecting today to be another good day, though. I'm upset with myself, guys. These 60s are going to be a beautiful spot to grab a short. I would be in this fairly heavy right now.
Order rejected.
Gosh, I feel like an idiot. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Congrats on the payout. Thank you, Pat. Consider micros less risk. Maybe. I mean, I just forgot about the daily loss limit as well. Also, I mean, you can't really do much about a 65-point ripper there, but it was definitely my mistake completely. Full accountability. Upset about it because this 60 short is about to print down to the 200s. Swear to God. God, I feel like such a goofy. That was a goofy mistake by us, family. You know what I mean? Fuck. We only have $1,000 you can risk. I was looking to see it play out. Didn't get any love. And now here we go with the 60s. Like I told you guys, we're going to start printing to the downside. Great entry on that, Danny. Hope you get to ride that. Where would your stop be on the 60 short? I mean, now would be break even, Dave. Before it would have been up above the 76s, 75 probably. But now it's break even. Letting this thing just keep printing to the downside. Let's keep this streak rolling. Saucy, it's already over, King. It's already over today. Your boy took an early short because I forgot you can only risk 1,000. 50-point candle, press a DLL, and then it goes right back into where I wanted to see. I feel like an idiot. I forgot you're only allowed to risk $1,000. Normally, we have our 2K in drawdown. I was like, there's no way this flies up 100 points from here. I loved our position. In short at 61, TP.274. This is what I wanted to be trading. Great trade, Dave. God, that was our trade, guys. That was our trade. God. Why did I get so eager? That was a $5,000 trade right there if we were just patient on this fucking pullback to the 60s. It was a beautiful entry. Break even should be riding. We could go see VWAP here. Oh, good trade, Dave. First trade on the new 50K funded. Happy for you. Great trade. If anyone else took that 60, man, that was easy. Danny's printing from the 300s. Entered in 276. Sorry for your account losses. Happens to the best. Hey, no worries, Lion. I'm glad you're here, though. Welcome into the family. Glad you could take a good trade off that. Sorry, man. I'm up 2,500. I love it. The whole clan's eating. Y'all deserve it. I should have been with y'all, but I fucking made a mistake. I made a mistake, and that's what happens. God, I got it. I just forgot about our daily loss limit. Look how close this fucking thing played out. We're going to go see VWAP here and just print dollar bills. I got in at the 60s. I'd be up almost fucking 2,000 points right, or $2,000 if this goes to the 60s here. I feel like the biggest fucking goofball. Easy trading. This is easy price action. You have this data wick down below, an overall extension to the upside. You wait for the fucking manipulation, and you take the short. And I didn't wait for the manipulation. What a fucking loser. Fuck. At least you made a lot of money this year. I wouldn't care at all. Nah, it's not that. I mean, yeah, it's just I could have done better, right, Pat? That's all. I could have done a lot better. That's all. Could have held this short. Would have made another 5K today. Been in a position for another 5K tomorrow. Instead, we're just sitting here feeling like a fucking joke. It's not the end of the world like y'all are saying. It's just, come on now. This is easy price action. Data wick below. Overall extension. You wait for the rejection, which is what Danny did. She was really correct with her. She waited for the manipulation. Got in at the 300s with a beautiful entry, and now she's up over 100 points in her trade. And we're going to go see the 160s here and just keep printing to the downside. If this hits the 160s, that would have been a, 100-point trade for me. I'd be up $2,000 in these accounts and feeling fucking great. Instead, I'm just upset with myself. No stress. At least you know why you took the loss, brother. Mindset is where it's supposed to be at. I spent all year doing this and nothing. Perspective is everything. Huge, Pat. You right, King. You right, King. Not trying to sound, not trying to be ungrateful, but we can always be better. We can always improve, and that was the mistake. These are what keeps traders unprofitable. Even if we know what we're doing, this is what our mistake is: eagerness, impatience, just a little bit of mind slip of forgetting what we're doing. But then when you actually get your entry at the 60s, it's just a beautiful mint trade. Yeah, it's. We saw the trade. We took a good trade. We just took a bad trade earlier, and that's where I'm frustrated. Bro, Top Step froze again. Third day in a row. Absolutely trashed. Trash step. That's really gross to see there. Wow. Guys, I'd still be riding this down to at least VWAP, but I think we go see data low at the 100s. I'd be looking for the 160s if I was in this trade. Feeling like a goofball. Glad I could share that with y'all, though. For real, if y'all did take that trade, I feel at least like I did a little bit good. I think I'm done, guys. I'll check in occasionally. I appreciate all of you that have helped me. Pat, what's going on with you, King? What's going on, brother? You feel like you've been a little off lately. You still coming up to Maine, by the way? Coming up in December. Nice haircut, brother. Hey, I appreciate the work. I just put a sticky on my monitor. Don't be a part of the manipulation. Patience. Yeah, you got to be patient, man. That will play out for you, Lion. Right here was the easiest trade of, and that's kind of where I'm coming at with like just my oh god dang, how unlucky, because I'm here, I'm experienced, we know this, we've been here, we've seen this before, and I just get so excited. I wanted to be a part of this move. I love a data wick low. I wanted to get in there, and instead I had to wait for this last little oof, and then the rejection was the cleanest entry of the day. I'll be there next week. Where are you gonna be at, Pat? Pat, put on a smile, handsome face, brother. I know, he seems like he's been down lately, for real. We don't like seeing that, Pat. We're here for you, King. But yeah, let me know when you're coming up, bro. Dang, I just feel like an idiot off of that move. What a goof. Y'all, wait for the manipulation, family. Y'all gotta wait for that manipulation. They gonna come in and manipulate you. You gotta let them. Can't let them manipulate you. See, like that. What's up with the if you want, up to you, period. Like, what's up, Pat? Talk to us, man. For real. What's going on, King? Your energy's for sure off. You don't want to talk, you don't got to, but fuck, man. We're here for you. Been here for months with you. Talk to us. What's going on? All right, I'm going to close this account. I have an MFF account that I forgot about, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and log into that real quick. There's just one little MFF that I forgot about. Where's my charts at? Are you serious? Oh no, guys. I'm not trying to fucking do a whole new thing here. Are we serious? Where's the charts at, dude? Oh yeah, you gotta drag them. God. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Okay, MFF. Sure. You're doing really good things. The fuck? Facts. Big hug for Pat. For sure. Something we can do for you, Pat. It means a lot, man. It really does. Just don't want to be negative, so just trying to keep myself up. Just been keeping it myself. Hey, man, negativity is fine, King. Nothing in this world is straight blessings. Nothing in this world is straight greatness. We all struggle, especially to get through this, where we've been trying to go through. It's a hard journey. It's a long journey. And it's only really easier with people, like-minded people that understand the struggle, King. You don't got to keep that to yourself. If you're struggling, especially if it's been related to the charts. Does anyone know what the fuck is going on here and why I can't pull up a fucking chart? I'm going to lose my mind. God. Like, what the fuck is going on here? Jesus Christ. Boo, MFF. Fucking A, man. Only Monday and Tuesday next week. I probably can't get a payout until January. Hey, it's all right, Dave. You're right there, King. Closed Tradeify and reopened. Seems bugging. It was bugging for sure. GPT, good morning, King. Welcome in. Appreciate you for being here. Happy Thursday. Happy CPI day. Man, I feel like a goofy goober. I'm a goofy goober, yeah. You're a goofy goober, yeah. I don't really know, Danny, but I appreciate it. Is it just a winter bug, bud? Is it just finances? Is it life and girl problems? Like, you know what I mean? Whatever it is, King. It's okay to have struggles. That's the whole game. Life is just ups and downs, baby. We win some, we lose some. Oh, fuck. I gotta I just gotta let it go. The fact that today was today. This 60 trade was just the blessing. Like, that was the most beautiful trade. You just gotta be patient for them. Trying to decide what accounts I want to run. MFF and Lucid are both 8-2 splits, right? So I'm trying to decide if I want to get more out of these MFF accounts or run it up with the Lucid. They both are pretty good lately. I know Lucid Flex accounts are pretty solid. MFF accounts are pretty solid. If you want to chat, you can always reach out for sure, Danny. W Queen. I made a stupid mistake with CPI. I was down 1,000, back to 64 in the green now with this drop. Let's fucking go, Queen. That's what I'm talking about. Great short at the 300s. Way to hold. I'm going to get some rest, King. See you tomorrow. Take it easy, Poppy. Thanks for being here, brother. You have a great day yourself, King. Hope school's going well. Trading 1 or 5 MFFUs. Currently have 1. I'm trying to decide if I want to load up on more. Kind of want to. Kind of don't. Currently have this one account. I think I'm going to just trade this one account and then seeing how we do, I'm going to buy 5 150Ks for the select accounts on Tradeify. Here comes the selling. Here comes the 160s. That would have been us hitting full TP, $2,000 per account. Oh, I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset about it. Holy fuck. Beautiful trade from the 260 to the 160s. That would have been our trade today, guys. Instead, I got in early on this fucking manipulation candle. Oh, whatever. I have 5 contracts I'm allowed on this, I think, or 4. I think it's 4. 5 or 4. I'm going to go 4. See if we can get our 1,500. Whoa, I'm up 1,000. Let go. Let's go, Noah. I'm out. Good trading, King. 150K Tradeify or Lucid? I'm going to go 150K Tradeifys. That's what I want to see, Dave. 4 is max with MFF. Thank you, Queen. Hey, short, please.
Order rejected.
Oh, you're rejecting my order.
Order
Is
rejected.
it 3 then?
Order rejected.
What the fuck is going on? Is it not 3? Is it 1? Is it 2? Like, what's going on here?
Order rejected.
Bro, can somebody tell me? It's not fucking 1 contract.
Order rejected.
It's not 1 contract.
Order filled.
Yeah, it is, I guess. It's 1 contract? The buyers don't want to go price go down. That's making me laugh. Sorry, bro. Saucy, it does it what it is. I should have already had full TP today, so I'm not really upset about much. I should have hit my 2K today, and I didn't because I made a mistake, and I can live with that. It feels like shit, but it's a mistake I made. NASDAQ, I feel like, was respecting us today, so, you know, it is what it is. Why can I not short more than 1 contract? Is anybody fucking... Is it really just 1? Shouldn't be 1. I'm banned from this, so no idea. Your MFF is funded? No, it's not funded, King. This is just a normal account. I'm trying to take another contract here.
Order rejected.
Yeah, dude. I can only trade 1 fucking contract right now. Alright. That's lame. It's not at all what I want to be doing. I'm going to let this play out for you guys while I go buy some new accounts, because that's making me upset right there. No, that's making me upset right there, Saucy. Like, make it make some sense, dude. I don't get it. So for the consistency rule on the 150s, you have to make 3,600 and you have 12 minis to do it. Daily loss is 1,750. Max drawdown end of day 3,500, 2,500. All right, I'm going with them. I'm rolling with them, family. Continue to payment. Wait, what? Can I not put my own code in? Yo, I can't use my own code on Tradeify either. I mean, I get it, but like, you know what I mean? Like, I get it, but like, can I just please? All right, family, we're going with the select Tradeify 150Ks. This is going to be similar. Oh, look at us, finding some selling against us. Let's go back to the dashboard, buy 4 more of these. Appreciate y'all being patient while I get these new accounts going. I think MFF is funded, bro. This isn't a funded account. There's no way. Core, right? I gotta look now. Y'all are making me think I'm about to blow a funded on accident because I thought it was not. MFF, sim funded, in progress. Wait, this is a funded account? Oops, this is a funded account? What a fucking idiot. That's what this is saying, right? Sim funded? I didn't know I passed this thing. Is this really passed? Passed. Valuation. All stages. All statuses. Sim funded. Failed. In progress. Yep. This is a funded account, guys. Okay. Okay. Let's dial in a little bit now. Oh, let's dial in a little bit now. Y'all keeping me on a tight rope this morning. What a goofy McSloofy. Which would be why I can only trade the one account, one contract. Now it's starting to make some sense, Queen. That's why we can only trade the one contract. It's SFN instead of EV. My cheeks hurt. If you have eval, you should put more than one. If sim funded, then you have scaling plan. Just made 15K today. Holy 3,100 over my 5 150Ks. Yes, GPT. That's what I want to fucking see, King. Congratulations. Yes, you have funded, bro. Close that trade. I do have a funded, and I should close this trade. I'm going to let this play through the 60s. My stop will be up through here. This is where I wanted to see price reject at the end of the day, but we're already down 1,200 in this account in this trade now. How do you get rid of green when trading? How do you get rid of greed? Micah, that's a great question, King. I think it just comes with expectations. You know what I mean? If you have expectations to like try to make a ton of money, then you're going to go ahead and be looking for it. You got to just set realistic goals and just have be excited with what you get from movements. Not every chart, not every move is going to be super profitable. Sometimes you're going to take losses. It's just a long game, brother. But you got this. I lost this morning on greed because I wanted to get selling so excited. I'll go back and show you. I took a short on this candle. It went up to stop us out and then came all the way down to where I wanted to see. I just got in literally 2-3 minutes early, and that's my fault. Not even 1-2 minutes early. Quite literally 1 minute early. If I got on this next candle, I'd be there. So it is what it is, man. It takes time. And it's still going to happen to you every single day. You're going to have moments where you think that you're figuring it out. You're controlling your emotions. And then you're going to have another day where it goes completely the other way and, you know, makes you feel bad. So we'll see what happens. We're still in this trade, guys. I'm going to have my stops up and above the 70s. Sell one limit. Or no, buy one stop. And we're going to look for this thing to push back. Otherwise, we're going to blow that account. I should have a stop in, but I almost just don't even want to have a stop in. Just let this thing play. It's not going to end our world in either way. Can't believe it's a funded account, and I didn't know that. I wish I could use my own code at the checkout, but you cannot. We have one more account to buy, guys, and we're going to be playing with these new Tradeify accounts again. I might just let this play out. I don't really. It's only one little account. Man, I feel like a goofy, though. How do we make that mistake? $1,000 is all you're allowed. I got to remember that. $1,000 drawdown with these new accounts. Okay, I was like, what's going on right now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got one more to buy here. Go ahead, take my money. I don't even care. I'm so... Oh, what a goof. Guys, we should have made money today. And I didn't. You know why I didn't? Because I made a mistake. And I can live with that. I can. I'll take it on the chin. But let me tell you something. Fuck. You know what I mean? Like, just shot. King, we keep pushing up to the 300s. Yeah, I'm going to let it, I mean, I have my order down to 97s. If it goes to 300, I'll bust, and that's okay. I'm going to bring in these new accounts right now. Go to dashboard. We got our credentials. Boom. Go ahead. We need another, 15 points from here. Can we go see the 300s? 300s will be us busting. Can we see it? Can we see it? Can we get there? Ten more points. This isn't that manipulation area, though, so keep that in mind. We're officially entering back into that manipulation area. I just want to see this bust so we can close it and then move into our other accounts. It's going to, of course, be a little stubborn. Alright, well, is there a way to open up a new Tradeify? Bum, 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 bum. We have 5 150k Tradeifys, but how do you pass one if you trade all 5 together, lol? Well, because I think I actually had 6 on accident, I think I had 6, and I think I passed this one. I don't really know what happened. It's all back in the live stream somewhere, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I had 6 of these at one point. Passed 5 of them, traded 5. You can only trade 5 at a time. So then I traded them, and then this one started separating. Can this go up and stop us out maybe? I'm just going to close it. Obviously, stops up here will bust us. Otherwise, I'm going to put this profit at like... CPI low. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go to buy one limit. Or this is going to come and get us. So I'm just going to close this out now. Likely going to come to the 300s, but let's log in with our new shit. Our new accounts, baby. So excited about these guys. Since I had the other ones, I've been excited to try them. We're now in the 150k's. All right, let's go to Tradeify Daily 50k's, manage groups. Let's go add a group. We're going to go Tradeify. Can I type, please? Tradeify. 150k's. Hit OK there. These are my funded, right? So this is my non-funded. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Save. Hit OK. Let's go now to daily. Let's go to Tradeify 150k's and click on a 150k account, which is a FTD account. No. Tradeify account. All right. We're now sharing across these accounts. And now we're loaded with 150s. Now we have to make 9,000, but we can only make 40%. 4th straight day with over 1K days on single TPT Pro account. Daily payouts so close to end of year goal. That's insane, Diego. Amazing, brother. So fucking proud of you. 300 hit. Let's go. Nice job, Amin. Oh, yeah, I can see now. Only trade 5 semi-funded. But how do you pass? Smash that like button, peeps. We could be on a pace for 30-something today. 30 likes today? Y'all, could we just hit that 20 like goal? I appreciate every single person being here, hanging out. We got 28 incredible people spending the morning. Join this conversation if you're not. Guys, we need to make 40%. So these are new counts. We need to make 40% of 9 grand. I'm pretty sure it's like 3,600, right? Do it real quick. 9,000 times 0.4. Oop, didn't put that in. Times 0.4. Yep, $3,600. Okay. Okay. Proud of you, though, Diego. That's badass. Man, I feel like a goofy man. We had the cleanest setup from the 60s. Like, that's the cleanest that it gets, really. Couldn't even capitalize on something nice and clean like that. What? What? Excuse me. All right, guys, I have these 5 150s. We need 3,600, means that if I go with 2 contracts, we'll need 1,400 per account. So it'll be about 70, like 4 points, 75 points. 3 contracts would be 1,200, so it'd be about 60 points. Let's be patient here. The impatience already killed us. We already made a mistake with the impatience. I'm excited for these 150K accounts, though. Daily loss limit on these are 3,500. And, I don't know, 4,500, actually. Nice. Daily loss is 3. Is that what that said? Let me go look and confirm now, because we are running some new accounts, and the things, they change. Daily loss limit, 1,750. Trailing law down 4,500, none, 40%, activation, none, 12 micros. All right. Well, I really love these Tradeify select accounts, guys. They're unreal. Back at these 70s, this is where price normally rejected. This is that spot as well. Kind of feels like longs want to do something here. Let's get our first 15-minute range drawn up just so I have a better visual, because I actually don't know where we're at. And I need it. I need to know where we're at. You know what I'm saying? 45. There's our 15-minute range. There's our 15-minute range. We're hanging inside of it right now. Tell you what, if we get a break back below this previous high, I will take an attempt at finding some continuation there. This thing could keep ripping, though. So you chose daily path instead of flex? Yes, I chose the daily path. Although you don't actually get to choose that, Amy, until you activate them. So I have to pass these accounts with the, you know, I had to hit the 3,600 today, 3,600 tomorrow, and then we'll need, what, 1,400 the next day, or 18? Selling 15, or technically 3 contracts at this previous high if we can get a fill. At these 262s. I'm going to have to probably adjust this a little bit to try to get a better fill. 261s.
Order filled.
Just got pushed into our shorts there. 3 contracts. Don't love that wick reaction, but we'll see if we can find some continuation now. We would need 60 points from that, so we would need the 201s if we want to get done today, or 40%. See if the market wants to hold here or not. We're going to go ahead and hit buy 15 limit just for an hypothetical. Stops are going to be up and above these, really like this price here. Buy 15 stop. Don't love that wick. That wick could get pretty, that wick could get excitatory. Only 2.5K on the eval target and a 50K. I know, isn't that attractive, Amin? That's why I like those. Morning. Damn, I'm late. Did you start new accounts? I started new accounts because we hit the DLL on the other one, TLR. I got in so excited, King. I literally front ran a beautiful trade that would have printed us exactly what we wanted for another $1,000 or $5,000 payout. But, you know, I made a mistake. I got in early. I forgot about our $1,000 daily loss and couldn't afford the drawdown to get to our profit. So, feels bad, man, but we loaded up with some new accounts. They're still there. I still have the accounts to try to trade tomorrow as well, but I'm trying to start some new 150Ks as well just because I wanted to get these going, try to get these playing. But right now, the longs holding in at this price. Another wick here. I want to see these sellers try to take this thing down. We got to get through this flat price at these 50s if this is going to move. But the way that we're wicking here isn't my favorite. I like that we're stuck below the EMA, but the way that we're wicking isn't great. We got to get a nice strong closure through here. Go break out these 50s. If we can close below the 50s, I think we'll go see the 200s. If we go see the 201s, we'll be through our 40% for the day. Nice little move. We'll see if there's some continuation here. Don't want to see this thing wick. If we can get a nice closure through this bottom, I'm going to put our break even on. Want to see a closure in around these 40s. Nice little move. Break even is going to be on. If we get a nice closure, 3 seconds, no wicks. There we go. Break even's now on, family. We're riding. If we can go see the 201s here, that will be our 40% for the day. Big blacks, no wicks. Come on, work. I love the energy, King. Yo, there's 30 incredible people hanging out, family. Thank you so much for spending your morning. I'm sorry I was early on my initial trade, but I still called that a nice trade at the 60s for y'all. Back in at the 60s all over again. Looking to see if we can get a rotation to the 201s, which would be us getting halfway through, or technically 40% of the way through these 150Ks. Beautiful. Their payout options is 12.5K or 2.5K a day. So if we get a max payout out of these, it'd be 12,500. That's why I wanted to size up to these new accounts. I missed my short at Asia session. I looked between the 100 to 25,000 zone, trade to zone. I can't read it now. You missed your entry there, Amin. I get that. I'm wanting to see us try to break down to the 200s here. We'll see. It could easily get a break even. Find me the selling. Get through here at these 220s. Go down there now. Beautiful. Want to see this push out another 20 points here. Complete the wick. Where we're targeting at the top of the CPI data, though, I don't necessarily love that. What's up, bro? Good morning. What's up, chat? James, welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Yo, we missed a beautiful little trade to get our 5K payout. So we still have the accounts, but we hit daily loss limit. So now we had to get some new 150Ks, and we're getting close. 20 points to hitting our first TP there. Be 40% of the delivery, and then we'd have to try to do another 40%, and then the other 20%, and so on and so forth. 4 more likes for 20. Come on, guys, like the stream up. Yo, let's hit those 4 likes for this TP, family. Maybe we can push this down to the 201s. See if we can get some love down to those 201s. Sell hit through here, Nazi. Beautiful. Beautiful sell. Go get those 200s now. Don't tease me. Get down there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright. Canceling everything here. All trades are off. Trade mode turned off now. Damn. Damn. It's just like that. There are buyers here between 225 to 178. If you want to sell, you must see NQ smash that zone fast. W's. Noah. Love the energy. Noah. Amy. Let's go. Max. Work. Danny. My fucking family. I love it. Love the support, y'all. James, appreciate it. Yo, that was a good trade, family. It feels pretty good. Still kicking myself in the face a little bit because, man, we should have had that fucking paycheck today. We took a beautiful short. We saw everything. We just got in early. So, I mean, hey, I guess we'll take on the confidence to know that we saw the good trade today. We missed it. We took another decent opportunity here. By the way, same fill price that I was teasing you guys at the 60s where we got this beautiful fill. Rejection through the level, pulled back up into this previous high. Short, cleanest short of the day. Printed almost 100 points. And then we came right back up into this price. Rejected the 300s. Came back below this same 60 price. Took another short at the 60s again. And now it's played out. Really nice trade there. Love that feeling. Let's go, work. W King, love it, Matrix. Sorry, I'm a little new to trading. Can you explain why you took that trade? Yeah, Steven. So I just tried to right there. Let's go ahead. Bro, this is our 15-minute range, right? And this is where I'm kind of kicking myself in the face a little bit because I took a beautiful... I wanted to see this reaction, right? So if you zoom out, imagine we don't see all this price action. This is all I saw this morning, right? Came up. This is classic. I wanted to see us go trade towards the bottom of this data low. So this is my target. Price came in. Opening print price came in. This candle here. And I broke down below my price where I wanted to get my short at the 60s. Broke below, so I put my order at the 60s. And then we immediately rejected. Went all the way up to these 329s. Why? Because that's normal manipulation. And I got in way too early. But if you were patient, one candle, and I got in on this candle. Once we broke back on this next rejection candle, back into the zone. And then boom, boom, boom. Back below where? The 60s that I wanted to take a trade at. Broke back below the 60s. Price slowly trickled back up into it at the EMA. I took a short. I would have taken a short at the 60s. I called it out to everybody. Take this short. I like this a lot. It plays through. We get almost a 100-point push. Push to the bottom of the 50-minute range. Buyers find some support. We go all the way back up to these 300s. So the reason I explained that before, Steven, was because it's still relative. So our 15-minute range right here, we go all the way back up, push through it. Buyers reject the 300s again. Another rejection candle. Boom. Another rejection candle. Pushing us back where? Below this 60. Once we got through here, I took the next attempt at the short at these 60s, and then it ends up playing through and printing pretty cleanly now. Threatening the bottom of the 15-minute range, threatening VWAP. I imagine at some point we're going to go get the CPI bottom at the 100s. That could be now, but welcome to the community for sure, Steven. I hope that helped, brother. Hope that wasn't too confusing for you. Yo, there's 25 incredible people watching. Thank you so much, family. Thank you for being here, spending your morning, being a part of this community, trying to get better together. Show some love and hit that like button if you haven't yet. I feel like an idiot. It should have been another fucking max payday. But it's not how we can think. I can't think like that, but that's how I feel. Should have been another max payday. Instead, nah. But now we started these new accounts. Woo! Hit a nice banger on those. Tomorrow, hopefully can do it again. Yo, by the way, guys, let me know what y'all think of this. I was going to take tomorrow off and go to my dentist appointment, right? Because I want to get my mom, I want to utilize my mom's insurance before I turn 26. Only reason I'm really stressed about it is I think I have a cavity, right? But I looked up, if you walk into a dentist facility with no insurance and you just want to pay out of pocket, it's only like a couple $100 to get a cavity filled, out of pocket, no insurance. So I kind of feel like I should trade tomorrow and try to make thousands because we had the opportunity to try to make thousands. I should trade tomorrow, try to make thousands, and if I make some money, I can pay for my appointment that way, out of pocket, if I do lose the insurance. Or do I just go to the appointment and not trade? I just don't want to miss stream, guys. We've been keeping our momentum going. Haven't missed stream in like 7-8 months. I don't want to miss stream whatsoever. So that's where my priority is, but we'll see. Your funded are still active, right? Yeah, they're still active, Dave. We're gonna trade them again tomorrow. Tyler, screw the dentist. I'm going on January 8th. Ooh, scary, Dave. What do you got going on for you? Make $5K and pay the dentist $150 for the filling. See, that's what I was thinking, Dave. No, W Dave, because that's what I was thinking. We should just trade tomorrow with our accounts, try to make a paycheck, and if I get paid, I can just fucking like, okay, here's a couple $100. It's just the same as a combine. Health first. Fuck. You right, Queen. No, bro, go to your appointment. A cleaning is $300, a cavity $100. It's fine to miss a day. My boy dedicated. GPT, I don't want to miss. I don't want to miss. We haven't missed in a week, in like 8 months. I don't want to start now. Also, we have the chance. Tomorrow is going to be an insane fucking volatility day. Like, just an insane day. I just don't want to be, I don't want to miss it. You feel me? God, I don't know, guys. I've been on the fence. It's a 50-50 for me. I just want to try to make some money, and then I go. A cleaning is $300 though. A cavity, $100. See, a cavity is only $100 to get filled. That's easy. I don't need a cleaning. I can clean my own shit. Dennis has to redo a filling. Your boy was eating sugar and got a cavity. See, I don't eat sugar. I fucking avoid sugar like a lot. I eat very little sugar, but still got a cavity. So bullshit. Go to your appointment, man. Laugh my ass off. Just get an early appointment, 7 a.m. Health is wealth. Healthy traders are profitable traders for sure, Steven. But just get an early appointment. That's the thing, GPT. She forced me to be at an 11 o'clock appointment. Like, oh, the only one we have. Sorry, our dentist is full today. The only one is 11 o'clock on Friday. I'm like, ma'am, do you understand the NASDAQ is going to be fucking moving like money at that time? Do you understand what you're doing to me? By backtesting, focus on new candles, big news, CPI, NFP. See what markets do. If we trade above the high, then 80% we're going to go down and sweep the low. Exactly, Amy. That's why I was so eager for this trade. I know, like my experience, whatever, my luck, whatever the fuck. I knew we were going to go auction towards this price, and I wanted to be a part of it. So I got in a little too fucking eager and early, but it played out really well. I'm glad y'all could catch it, though. I know Danny made some money on it and a couple others, so I'm happy. You know what I mean? I'm happy. I made a mistake. I can live with that. We started these new accounts, and we have our other accounts, so that's going to be interesting. But, yeah, we got 40% through. So hopefully tomorrow I can make another 3,600. And then from there, baby, we just make the last little bit, get these things funded, and another big paycheck coming our way, hopefully. It was blueberries for me. I was eating them at night and not flossing well. See, I do eat a lot of fruit, a lot of bananas, a lot of apples. I don't eat sugar, though. I really don't, and especially not at night. So I don't necessarily know how I got it, but maybe I just have shitty teeth genetics. I don't know. Now I eat them in the afternoon instead. I like that. A good dentist cleaning is so good. I know, queen. But so is hanging out with the stream, trying to make some money trading. $100 to $2,000 for cavity. Google it. It's expensive, man. Let that insurance cover it. $2,000? See, I wasn't told that. I was told it was like a couple $100. My fucking little chat GPT told me. My little chat GPT told me it was not going to be that much money. Tyler, in Maine, do dentists practice on moose? No, just lobsters, bro. They just practice on lobsters here, King. When are you turning 26? I am turning 26 January 15th. A little less than a month. Dentist is expensive. Fuck. So you guys think it's more profitable? You guys think it's more financially adequate? More aligned with my financial goals to go to my dentist appointment and miss streaming, miss trading, kill all of our viewer momentum where we've been rolling and just avoid it and just go to get my teeth looked at by a guy in a white coat? That's what I should do. That's my most financially lucrative option. God, I don't think so. 26. I will hit 29 in 1 month. I was 29 and 21 this month. Wait, what? 26. I will hit 29 in 21 this month. Oh, you're going to be 29 in 11 days, Amy? Let's go. Almost birthday time, King. Danny just flipped over. Trade. Don't go to the dentist. Dave. I love it. Dave's the only one. Dave's usually the one that's like risk adverse. He's like, yeah, don't do that. Like, protect your account, size down, like all this shit. He's like, dude, fuck the dentist. Trade. Mine's the 11th, dog. That is a dream, LOL. Let's go. Work. January gang. Mine's the 15th. Certified, yes. Shit, I turned 30 January 26th. Haha. Yeah, it's more responsible and better. Friday usually chop around. Oh, GPT, you don't understand. Tomorrow is S&P rebalancing. There's going to be more volatility tomorrow, especially post-CPI. There's going to be more volatility tomorrow than we've seen in the markets in a long, long time. Okay? Now, is that just my fucking FOMO talking, or is that real? And I'm telling you something. Tomorrow is the S&P rebalancing. So no matter how you spin it, coming into the end of the year, coming into off of CPI, rebalancing, charts are going to be moving. It'd be irresponsible not to be involved. It'd be irresponsible not to be here for you guys and try to navigate that. I'm going to call a dentist in Bangor now and get you a quote. Hold on. Dave. Like, hey, say I had no insurance. Hypothetically, I had to come in and get a cavity filled. What are you looking at for a cost? If it's anything less than a couple $100, I swear to God, I'm going to do it. Anything less than a couple $100, I'm avoiding the dentist. I'm going to schedule that appointment, say, hey, I don't have insurance, whatever. Because my original conversation was like, hey, my mom's insurance is, or I'm going to get off my insurance soon. Help hook me up and get me in for the end of the year. They're like, okay, well, the only day we have available is the 19th. It's 2 hours from me. By the way, guys, keep that in mind. 2 fucking hours from me. So I have to drive 2 hours to go someone to look at my teeth and then give me a new schedule, new appointment to actually get my cavity filled. They're not going to fill my cavity tomorrow. They're just going to schedule another time to get my cavity filled. So I say I'm just spend the morning with y'all, trade the NASDAQ, try to make some money, and then we can afford a new cavity filling if it works out. You know what I mean? Tell me that's not the play, though. Bro, dentists cost a lot. Need that insurance. They make $5K per pulled tooth. Ooh, I don't want to give them that. That's my payout, baby. GPT. God dang it. You should thank the dentist for making you don't trade tomorrow, LOL. Tomorrow is going to be the most volatile we've ever seen, though. W strats. Let's go, work. Tomorrow is going to be S&P rebalancing, post-CPI, Friday, coming to the end of the year. Tomorrow's volatility is going to be fucking unhinged. Bangor Dental Associates said 270 to 400. Are you serious right now, Dave? See? Yes, go to the cavities fixed so it doesn't grow into a root canal. It's not even a bad cavity. I'm not going to open my mouth and show y'all, but it's not even bad. It's just like, again, I don't eat sugar. I'm trying to be as health conscious as I can be, so it shouldn't be too bad. 500 if a very large. So we're going to be in the couple hundreds, $300. So I have to drive 4 hours in total, and because I don't even, it's going to save me a couple $100. I can't decide, family. $300 is cheap though. That's why I take trade on Asia this week. Amy knows the markets are moving. Let's just make sure. Look at these accounts, guys. We should have had a fucking big old payout on these things today. Look at this. Oh, I should have had a beautiful payout on these things today. But I didn't, and you know what? That's okay. No, that's fine, because we started some new accounts. I don't know if I would have started these accounts, guys. Let's look at that glass. I don't know if I would have started some new accounts and made these fucking banger trade. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Y'all seeing this? Sell 3 at the 61s, and then we bought 2 back. I don't know. I'm confused. We didn't buy 2 back. Is it just bugging on me? And it says 2,400, even though it should clearly be 36. Yes, go to the cavities. That's why I take trades. Y'all straight up got to let me know. I'm going to go ahead and create a poll real quick. That's what I'm going to do. Y'all are my fucking family. Y'all been here. Y'all are going to decide with me. Y'all are going to decide with me. Oh, by the way, yeah, check that out, guys. I want to share that with y'all. Oh, wait, this isn't the right one. Never mind. Not what I want to show y'all. Take it back. Not relevant. Yo, work, can you make a poll for us, King? Are you able to do that? I can do it if not. All right, I figured it out, guys. Ready? Dentist or NASDAQ? What do we do, family? Y'all decide real quick. Whatever y'all decide, what we're going to do. Gamble with us. Or teeth. Y'all let me know. Y'all decide what we're doing tomorrow, family. We're going to spend the morning together, or am I going to go ahead and spend time with a guy in a white coat? This W pattern is really nice. Yeah, we're forming strong support right at these 200s above the VWAP. Looking for some continuation to the upside here. This is pre-CPI strength right now, Diego. I can't, brother. I tried before, and I'm the only setup at BF6 at the moment. Dak. I'm done, King. Up 2K with 2 accounts. Let's fucking go, Matrix. Proud of you. Proud of you. Everyone vote teeth. Health first, King. Hey, I'm a healthy guy. I can wait another month to go to the dentist and pay my guy without insurance. I won't be trading tomorrow. If it's not with y'all, I won't be trading. That's my rule. I only trade with you guys. So if it's not tomorrow, if y'all vote me to teeth, then that's what we do. If y'all vote me to the dentist, I go. If y'all want me to stay and just fucking put it on the old out-of-pocket price, a couple $100 to get my cavity filled, I'll do that. I don't know. I can't decide. I don't really want to miss stream, and I really don't want to miss tomorrow's rebalancing. Tomorrow's going to have more volatility than we can even expect. NASDAQ coming in on top of the 15-minute range, taking out these 320s. Beautiful V pattern here. This is no weakness in that whatsoever. I imagine we can keep taking this momentum up to the 4 or 500s here. I'm going to a chiropractor on the 23rd. My neck wants to wants me to get a trading desk. Yeah, I guess I don't really think about my posture while I'm trading. I always think about while I'm actually working, but not while I'm trading. I'm biased. I hate the dentist. Let's gamble, baby. Let's go, Diego. Come on. Vote me to stay. Let me trade with y'all. I don't want to. I don't care. Fuck the dentist. I'll get there when I get there. Go get that teeth check, brother. Monday will be better for you. Damn it. Work. So you're saying Monday we're going to take payout out of those accounts, and then these accounts we're going to go ahead and crush. But tomorrow's going to be so much volatility, I can do it tomorrow. I need to think about it this way. We have to get 100 points to get a payout again tomorrow, right? Because of where we're at now with the $1,000. We have to make $2,000 tomorrow. One contract. I guess I don't need to do one contract, but I typically do with volatility. So with one contract, we have to try to risk 50 points to make 100. I can do that, and then we can get a payout tomorrow, and that can pay for my dentist. I don't know. I have a tough time today in the market for some reason today. Might be because my head is full of snot, LOL. Oh, you're not feeling well, Queen? Yeah, that might be it. Maybe you didn't sleep good, a bunch of stuff. But, hey, you took a beautiful short to 300s, got yourself back to profitability. Can't reschedule for a different time? No, that's the problem, Mad Max. It was even a struggle to get this appointment, to be honest, because I had to call like 12 different places and be like, hey, look, I am losing my insurance in a month. Can we get something squeezed in so I can take advantage of that? They're like, oh, yeah, you just got to drive 2 hours away, and it's only opportunities at 11 o'clock during your trading time. I'm like, that's the only one? They're like, yeah, it's the only time. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Yeah, book it, sure. And now I'm here hating the decision. Yes, brother, even though I see you with max payout tomorrow, but take it easy tomorrow, brother. Even though you see me with a maxi tomorrow, you think I should go get my fucking teeth looked at, dude? Why would we not take the maxi? FYG toothpaste, try it. FYGG, I'll try it out. Came by to vote on teeth. Unstoppable. Appreciate you for stopping in and choosing health for us. Wanted to gamble tomorrow, but y'all are forcing me away. I think tomorrow, guys, day after CPI, Friday, end of a news event, almost end of the year volatility, S&P rebalancing. The market is going to be fucking moving. It feels bad. If it was a normal Friday, it wouldn't even be hard, but I feel like tomorrow is going to be such a moving day. I want to make another 3,600 on these tomorrow, and I want to make our 5K over here, but it's just greed. Is this greed, guys? Is that what I'm noticing right now? No, it's not even greed. I don't want to miss stream. That's the thing. I'm on a hustle. I haven't missed stream for y'all in months, only like 8 months, and I don't want to start tomorrow because of a fucking dentist appointment. Ugh. Makes me so upset. And y'all voted, so y'all told me what to do, and it makes me sad. 20 votes, and 65% of y'all went with teeth. God damn it, you beautiful people caring about my teeth and my health. Logs into the multiple different YouTube accounts to vote. You to stay. We can buy your way to stay. We say the word. Let's go, Diego. It's fucking hilarious. Tyler regrets that poll. LOL. Yeah, well, I thought y'all were gonna ride with me. Like, yo, fuck the dentist. But y'all were like, health. Oh, protect your teeth. Oh, you only get one set of your low life. Oh, teeth. How many of y'all are watching the Saturday fight on Rumble? Oh, absolutely, Dave. Definitely worth the time. Watch some man get knocked the fuck out. And I only have one idea of who that man is. But hey, I would get knocked out for a couple million too. So honestly, put me in the ring. If y'all want to see it, I will gladly take a strong left, right uppercut, go to sleep for a couple million. I would. I do it right on live TV too. Just sit there and boom. Couple million, you wake up, you're a millionaire. Woo! Dude, watch a billionaire fight someone is worth the $50. Exactly. I'm back to sleep, King. I appreciate you for being here, Matrix. Enjoy your night, King. Good trading today. Way to lock out those 2 accounts. Proud of you, brother. Enjoy your day. If I don't see you tomorrow, well, it's because these people voted against me, but we'll see. Appreciate you for stopping in, though. See you tomorrow or not. Go to get those teeth clean. Ah. Hi, man. All good. What's up, Mafia? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you, brother. Means the most. Happy Thursday. Yo, there's an important poll going on right now, Mafia. Go ahead and take a gander, sir. And do you think I should, you gonna hang out with us tomorrow, or do you think I should fucking just hang it up? Ooh. Go hang it up and take care of my teeth. Yo, also, family, what are we at for our like goal? We've been hitting likes like crazy lately, and it means the most. I appreciate you guys riding with me. It literally is my favorite part of my entire day, hopping on stream, hanging out with you guys, trying to change our lives by little candlesticks. Wouldn't trade it for anything, so appreciate you guys for being a part of it. I don't think I like this anymore. I'm going to take this off. I don't ever utilize it. Take off the ATR. We don't ever utilize it. And give ourselves a little bit more vision here. I like the volume. I do use that often. Obviously, our VWAP and our EMA. You guys know how close we were to just making 5K today? Like, seriously? Look at this. Why did I get in on the manipulation candle? Who type of experienced guy did that? Loser. You guys wait for that manipulation. It's the easiest trade you'll ever see. Although I will say I was expecting the bottom of a CPI, and we only went down to this wick here. So I might have got cooked there looking for the 60s, but I don't know. I don't know, darling. Who knows? Who cares? It doesn't matter. It's not relevant anymore. All that matters is we're here. We're doing the thing. Tradeify. The TDFs are my 150Ks. Okay. Wow, NASDAQ, beautiful V shape, holding, or W shape, holding the 200s, holding the VWAP, auctioning towards these 400s now. What's good, Ty? Passed by and seen you're doing a poll. I did vote on teeth. Go get that checked out. Price action bad for December. You can see nice moves, but every Friday been bad price action. Galaxy, thank you so much, King. Truly means a lot that you came in and you put the vote in. Honestly, whatever y'all vote for, I'm going to do, so I appreciate you caring it all, King. So what did you do wrong on the first trade? Obviously, you wouldn't want 50-point stop on funded. What I did do wrong on the first trade, Dave, is a couple things, King. Number one, it was mostly just eager, right? So I got in on opening print candle. I don't usually do that. I was just really fucking excited. Loser. Why? Because I want to see the bottom of the CPI trade. Anyways, eagerness. Got in a little too early, and then that's really all it was. Because once we swept through this high, the rest printed cleanly. Nice redistribution back through our EMA. Another continuation through this big 60 level. Retest of the 60. Easiest short of the fucking day. Easiest short of the day. And then, so yeah, my mistake was eagerness, Dave. I was a little too excited. A little bit too excited to make it the monies. And so then I lose the monies. Too excited, you lose the monies, you don't make the monies. Okay. That's why you gotta be calm. Market's gonna do what it's gonna do. You gotta be patient. Let it do it. But guys, also, would I have started these new accounts had we done that? Probably not. You know what I mean? Had I taken this, I wouldn't have taken this trade. You guys see, though, this is saying $2,400, and I only bought 2 back, but I don't have any open positions. But that's what it's telling me. But these all closed at 36. It's looking fucking buggy. Right? Can I see 6E, bro? What's 6E, Mafia? I'll try for you, King. 6E. Euro FX, 60 FX. Bro, there's no way this is what you're asking for. I'm never on the right contracts for what you want, King. I apologize, Mafia. But this is no ways what you want to see. Weak ass volume at the 1.174s. The high CPI candle end on the 200, so next move you will end on the 300 level. You should take aggressive at that level or with confirmation. I like that. I mean, beautiful push up into the 400s here. The W pattern is playing out pretty strongly. Man, y'all really want me to go to my dentist appointment. Oh, fuck. I don't want to miss stream. Tomorrow's price action is going to be beautiful. I'm going to be sitting there like, my mouth open. Look at my phone. Beautiful price action. We're going to miss it. That's FOMO right there. I'm going to miss it. Man, I'm going to miss out. No, I don't want to stop the momentum. I don't want to miss stream. I don't want to miss stream. Will y'all even come back Monday? You'd be like, oh, this guy's washed. He didn't care about us. He stopped showing up. Like, no, I didn't. The dentist. I promise. NASDAQ, though, up into the 400s. Beautiful strength. Nothing but direction from these 180s, essentially. This is insane price action. From these 180s, nothing but just momentum. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. Love to see it. Make sure y'all are protecting yourselves. Just forget about the poll, LOL. Want me to dismiss it? Yeah, dismiss it. Yeah, dismiss it. Because what did y'all do? 22 votes and 60% of y'all said the other way. So that's like 7. It's about 7 voted for gamble. The other 14 said teeth. Boo. No, I protect you. Protect your neck. Exactly. Health is wealth. We're here for health, not for trading, whatever. Yeah, no, Tyler can pull off the gold tooth thing. a little bit of bling. A little bit of bling on the teeth. Maybe I'll get those diamonds. Oh, shit. Y'all are not helpful. I was hoping y'all would be like, stupid, avoid the dentist. It's cheap to just get a filling. All these things. It is pretty cheap, though. Can y'all at least agree with me on that? I did not expect it to be like a couple $100 to get a cavity filled without insurance. So, I mean, that is pretty affordable. Kind of enticed me to try to make some money tomorrow. You know what I mean? Kind of enticing. But all right, family. Well, that sucks. Because if that's the case, then this is our last couple moments together. Hey, man, I wanted to trade. Would you be looking for a reversal around here? No, Steven, I absolutely would not be, King. It's going to be pretty hard to predict any reversals, especially with this type of momentum. I mean, maybe. It's always a maybe. It's never a no, but I just wouldn't. I'd be looking for, it's really tricky now, King. Like, this is not, keep this in mind, Steven. I'm really strong in this time frame, right? From like 9:30 to 10:30 is my bread and butter. After we take out liquidity, like we already swept the 15-minute range bottom twice, pushed through it twice, found some support, pushed through the 15-minute range high twice. Now, my targets are a little bit less. I'm not as confident here, so keep what I say a grain for salt. But I'd be looking for longs. I mean, this is clearly showing some support for our direction to the upside. Where you get in, that's a great question. I mean, this is an EMA contact point. I probably wouldn't buy the 70s here, but I'd be mostly looking for longs here. Try to find a price to get in with. Would you be looking for Mr. Slickback? Wow, feeling frustrated. What's up, Queen? You trying to make some monies on it and not getting the love? What's going on? Hard to read for me. Right now, like I just said, Queen, this is beyond my my skill. Not skill, but it's just beyond my strengths. Like, we had the 15-minute range, nice push there. We had a trade there we took. 9:30 to 10:30 is pretty much my strength. From there, things get a little bit harder to read. I don't have a good vision on this either, Queen, so you're not alone. That means that maybe it's just time to hit the button. Maybe, just maybe. You're trading good today, though. I mean, I know you're not super proud of your overall results, but lost the eval, and then am up some, and then I don't take it, and she drops back down. Lost the eval. Damn. Sorry, Queen. And then you were up a little bit, didn't take it. How much is a little, though? Or you said up some and didn't take it. Gosh. I'm ending the poll. I trust you guys. You guys making the right decision for me. Gosh. Up $79 on my funded, so might call it a day on that one and get a new eval. I think that might be a play, Queen. I mean, hey, you're up profitable on the funded. That's fucking really what's important, right? So good job there. I love hearing that, Queen. And then, yeah, you lost the eval. It's okay. Take another one, buy another one, and don't worry about it. What prop are you trading at, Danny? MFF still? And then don't trade it today either. I would be patient. Like I said, most of the fun that I could predict is already played out. So from here on out, play your strengths. We're up into the 400s. CPI still going to be, you know, so. Tomorrow, though, y'all are telling me you don't want to hang out. Damn it. I think tomorrow's going to be so much volatility. I'm expecting some at least Instagram screenshots of y'all crushing the markets. That's what I want to see at least. I want to see y'all being like, hey, by the way, dude, you missed it, but the market moved like 400 points in one direction. Really clean pullbacks at easy levels, too. It was a really clean direction, 400-point push with nice pullbacks to levels, and they played out and held. And I'm going to be like, cool. I had a old man looking at my teeth, so. MFF, word. I like them. Very affordable and good accounts. You're so positive. It's awesome. Let's go, Steven. Always, King. Means the most. Love that energy. Your Top Step forced my hand yesterday. Taking the rest of the week off. Rested for the next week. Reset for the next week. Let's fucking go, Sobs. Next week we're going to eat together. Yo, Sobs, you just got here, King. So you missed our poll, bub. But we had a poll. And your decision's important. Okay? Your decision's worth 2 votes. Hear me out. My whole thing, I'm missing stream tomorrow because I have a dentist appointment, right? I was wanting to utilize my insurance, so it's a little bit cheaper to get my cavity filled. A little Google search tells me, though, that cavity filling with no insurance, out-of-pocket pricing is affordable. Only a couple $100, $300 to $500. Do I just skip my dentist appointment tomorrow and stream with you guys because I think tomorrow's volatility is going to be fucking unreal? Or do I do what I said I was going to do, take the rest of the week off, take tomorrow off, go let some old dude in a coat tell me what I'm doing wrong with my teeth, put some drill in my fucking cavity or whatever. Oh, by the way, I'm not even going to get my cavity filled tomorrow. He's just going to schedule another time to get it done. But, or do I fucking just come hang out with y'all, try to trade, try to make my money, try to get those accounts to a payout, and then I can afford my fucking dentist appointment. That's what I should do, right? Right, Sobs? Right? NASDAQ holding at these 400s. Like I said, guys, I would not be looking for reversals here. This is a very strong W pattern. Also, we held VWAP, CPI day. I would be looking to just let this market play out a little bit. We've had nothing but selling the last few days, so we might be in a rebalancing stage to go get some new prices. We'll see what happens. I'm glad you're off Top Step, though, Sobs. Welcome to the cool side, Tradeify. Once you guys try Tradeify out in these new select daily accounts, you might be as much of a fan as I am. They're really, really good accounts. We're 40% through passing them now, and then we'll try to do the rest, not tomorrow, because y'all want me to go to my knee. But then once we do pass, hopefully we can get the love. The reason these accounts are really attractive is $1,750 drawdown daily, which isn't ideal, but $2,500 payout. So anything above that 2,500. I don't know what the buffer is, though. I'm going to have to look at that. How you do anything is how you do everything. If you said you were going to do it, do it. No, my God, Jay. That was it, Terp. Jay hit me with it right on my chest. Do what you said you're going to do. I like always 300 to 400. Now let's see what happens. Did we see reversal or keep pushing? 300 to 400 was clean. Could definitely see us auctioning back a little bit lower. It's just how much lower is hard to tell. I think as traders, we have a plan and stick to it, right? So if you had a plan for the dentist, I say stick with it. Yep. It's locked in. It's locked in. Y'all decided for us. GG's, everyone. Off to the gym. See y'all next week. Protect your profits. Let's fucking go, Diego. Have a good training session, King. Thanks for being here, brother. Enjoy your weekend. I will not be here tomorrow, so protect yourselves. Let me see some screenshots of the fun. I'm telling you guys. CPI, post-CPI day. Friday, it's going to be S&P rebalancing. End of year volatility. Tomorrow, I think we'll move. I'll say that, and then tomorrow we'll just fucking chop and barcode, and I'll feel bad. But I think tomorrow's going to be a good day, so protect you guys yourselves. Keep your mindset in the right place. At least 50 points, King. Yeah, that's what I think, too. I mean, if we hold the 450s, we'll at least go see the 350s, maybe. From there, do we get any lower? It's going to be hard to tell. Maybe the 3s. I'm not sure. He's going to be here tomorrow. He's just trolling. Dave. Don't miss me if I'm not, brother. I would love to be. I already tried my best, but y'all pushed me away. I was like trying to walk through the door. I was like, come on, like, can I just hang out with you guys? And you're like, this is the cool kids club. I'm like, yeah, but like, I just want to hang out for a little bit. I'll be quiet. You're like, yeah, nah, dude, sorry, gotta go hang out with a dentist. Oof. Seriously though, family, thank you so fucking much for spending the morning here. There's 20 incredible people hanging out. It means the most. I think we're gonna go ahead and get the vibes rolling come Monday though, Ty. I'm gonna need you to break down Tradeify for me. Absolutely, subs. Tradeify is the way. I started new 150K accounts today, buddy, because I hit the DLL on these ones. So look how close I was, subs. You missed it, buddy. My fucking eagerness stopped me from making 5K today. I knew we were gonna go see this fucking wick, this data price candle. Classic, right? Look, imagine this is how I saw it when market opened. So what I was looking at, I was like, oh man, we're gonna go see this price. Maybe VWAP, beautiful. Opening print candle, I eager buy, 50-point stop out. Look at it, right to the pretty much a top tick, and then the fucking goes right where I wanted. And then, dude, I called out this 60 trade so perfectly, didn't get it. Busted a day, not busted, just hit daily loss limit. So then I switched over to getting some new accounts because I'm like, you know what? Let's get these 150s rolling because I'm excited for the 150s for when I do bust those 50s. It's gonna happen eventually. Classic magnet, exactly, Sob. That's why I was so excited. I saw it. I was like, ooh, gimme. And then I got in too early, but whatever. And then we took a nice, beautiful short off the same price that I wanted to get on the 60s. Made the 3,600 on each account, which is 40%. Gonna try to make another 40% Monday, so that'll be 3,600 bucks, and then close it out. So we'll be trading these Tradeify accounts together, King. Ty, stream and trade for dentist, LOL. Just sitting there on my phone, like, guys, short NASDAQ. It happens. Goat week for you, though. Great week, for sure, Sabs. I got so excited. I could have made another 5K today, but I fucking stumbled over my big old duck feet. Couldn't get over the finish line. So then I got some 150s. Got these started. Hopefully we can have another good close of these. Get these funded. These 150s are fucking gorgeous. Why? Daily payout out of them is 2,500 bucks. Right? So times 5, that's a $12,500 payout every single day, hypothetically, if you can cross the buffer. So, very attractive. I appreciate you, those subs. Amy wants me to stream from the dentist. Yo, family, though, y'all voted me to the dentist, so that's what we're going to do. Tomorrow, we're not going to be streaming. I hate it. It feels so bad. I haven't missed streaming in like 8 months, so I am really hating this moment. But is what it is. I appreciate you guys so much for being here, riding with us. What's the buffer on the 150K daily? That's a great question, Dave, and I don't know. I would have to pass, I think, before I'll be able to know that. I think. It doesn't tell me. It didn't tell me. I didn't know it was a $2,100 buffer until... Or let me look. Let me try to see if I can find it for y'all. Let's try to see if we can find it together. Right, 150K. It doesn't say it, and it didn't say it here until I passed the 50K either. It should be like 2,100 bucks. This one says 21, but it doesn't show me anywhere. So yeah, I don't think we get to know until we pass, maybe, because that's how it was for my other ones. And then I knew the buffer, but whatever it is, we. You fucking serious? Yo, stream just crashed. Oh my god, stream crashed. Y'all okay? Y'all here? Fuck. What's up? Technology. Technology. Can't you stream after trade, or you got work? Well, the thing is, Sobs, the problem with it is it's 2 hours away from me. Right? So it's at 11, 2 hours away. By the time I get done my appointment at like noon, maybe 12:30, and then 2 hours back home, 2:30, like there's no way. So yeah, it's not really, I can't trade tomorrow. It's either I trade tomorrow with you guys or I go to the dentist. It's one or the other because it's 2 hours away from me. And yeah, I'm back. Let go. I thought stream crashed. I was about to be so upset. I was like, I can't even say goodbye to my friends. Make 5K and pay the dentist $1,000 to drive to you. It's only a bad deal if I lose, Dave. It's only a bad idea if I don't win tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know the buffer. I was trying to look at that for y'all. I can't really see. It doesn't really show us. Which I think is actually kind of weird. Valuation. Max drawdown. Consistency. Max payout. Pay frequency. Active. Yeah, there's no way to see what the actual buffer is. But I'm guessing it's probably like $4,000, Dave. Maybe something like that. But family, this is going to be it. I'm going to have to go ahead and listen to y'all. Y'all care about the truth. Y'all care about health. So I'm going to go get my teeth done. Avoid streaming, even though I think it's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. So I hope y'all, I'm going to send all y'all my good energy. All my vibes for y'all. You can crush the markets tomorrow. Good luck. I'm expecting some updates Monday of how we do. Let's keep the momentum rolling next week. We had a great week this week. 11K in payouts, so it's technically like 10,500 after profit split, like 9,002. So great week. Can never complain. Could have been a better day today had I just been a little bit less eager. The excitement got to us, but I'm glad y'all could still catch that push off the 60s, and Danny got a nice short in 300s. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for making this fucking community so amazing. Spending your week with us is the best thing. Makes my whole fucking day just bright. Appreciate you guys for being a part of it. If you haven't yet, show some love. Work, Danny, Dave, King Noah, Sobs, Amy, Diego, Jay, Steven, Mad Max. Thank you guys so much for being here. It means the most. Good luck tomorrow. I love you guys. I'll see you Monday. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. The party continues next week. Peace, family.